Today we shall pass on to the fifth problem. The following balances appeared in the books of Vinod on January 1st, 2018. In the books of Vinod. In the books of Vinod. Journal entries. Right. What we should answer? Pass the opening journal entry. This is date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, rupees 5 and credit, rupees 5. Okay, this is opening journal entry. See, what does it mean? What are the assets and liabilities in the beginning of the year of the business? That is the meaning of opening journal entry. Journal entry we know what it is, opening journal entry and closing journal entry. What is in the opening of the year? What are the assets and liabilities in the beginning of the year or in the opening of the year? That is the meaning. So here the date given is 2018 January 1st. On this first date, write all the assets on the debit side and the liabilities on the credit side. What are the assets? Cash account, debtor, stock account, debtor, amount due from RAM. If the business is about to receive some amount from a third person, then he is called a debtor. The person, one who gives the benefit to the business, is called debtor. One who takes the business is called a creditor. One who gives the benefit to the business is the creditor. One who enjoyed the benefit from the business is called debtor. So the person, Ram, he has enjoyed the benefit from the business, therefore he is called a debtor. So amount due from Ram paid the amount, so he is a debtor, therefore debtor's account. Debtor's account, within brackets, Ram we can write debtor. So these are the three. Then fourth one, machinery. Machinery is an asset. Machinery account debtor. All these four items are assets. To the liability on the credit. Liability is amount due to Vijay. To a person Vijay, the business has to give the money. Business கொடுக்க so it is a liability. Therefore, to liabilities account. Within bracket you can write Vijay. Then to the balancing figure will be the capital account. Balancing figure will be the capital account. So, what is the amount of cash? Cash 40,000. Stock 50,000. debtors, that is amount due from Ram, 20,000. Then machinery, 40,000. Then in case of liabilities, amount due to Vijay, 10,000 on the credit. Then the balancing figure must be in the capital account. What is there? 40,000, 50,000, 90,000, 28,000, 1,10,000, here 40,000, 1,50,000. Then 10,000 only here. Therefore here debit 1,50,000, credit only 10,000. Therefore the balancing figure is 1,40,000. This is the amount of capital what we have to write. See, pass opening journal entry and post them to Vinod's capital account. So here the capital account we should prepare. For the preparation of capital account, what we should do for the preparation of capital account, what we should do. In the preparation, we must be very careful. What it is? In the preparation of accounts, it must be before that we shall write the narration. Business commenced or commenced with assets and liabilities. Or we can write balances of assets and liabilities. Balances of assets and liabilities. This is the thing. Then here the question is pass the opening journal entry. This is opening journal entry. Just now I said write all the assets on the debit side and the liability on the credit side. The balancing figure will be the capital account. That is not the only question, but in addition to that, post them to Vinod's capital account. We should post them all to Vinod's capital account. So we should prepare the ledger for Vinod's. We should prepare the ledger for Vinod's. We are going to prepare now the ledger account of Vinod's capital. It is a different one. Listen carefully. Date, particulars, the journal folio, amount. This is for the debit, that is the date, particulars, journal folio. In the journal, ledger folio. In the ledger, it is journal folio. Amount, rupees 5. Debtor, date, particulars, journal folio, amount rupees 5. This side the creditor, the same 4 columns on the credit side also, date, particulars, journal folio and amount rupees 5. Rupees 5. In the books of Vinod, what it is the ledger? Vinod's capital account. Vinod's capital account. For this we should prepare the capital account. Already I have written the journal entry. What I have written, just for reference, I am writing simply as a refer. What are the things I have written? Cash account data. This is 40,000. Stock account data. $50,000. Debtor account data. Sundry debtor account data 20,000. Machinery account data. Data 40,000. So liabilities account. Liabilities account 10,000. Then to Vinod's capital account, $150,000. 10,000 here credit, therefore balancing figure 1,40,000. This is the journal entry. See, usually how we pass or how we post the entries in the ledger. So the date is 2018 January 1st. 2018 January 1st. January, whether it is 1st or not, we will see it. Here also 2018 January. Usually how we make the postings? We are preparing the ledger for Vinod's capital. It is on the credit side. Vinod's capital is on the credit side. Suppose if we prepare ledger for cash account, the entry will be on the debit. What we will pass entry? The entry coming along with it. For the cash account debits, we will pass entry. What we will write? Either the liabilities account or Vinod's capital account. This is coming along with this on the credit. For debit, we use just to fix the side. Then what you should write, this should not be written. What is in the credit you should write. For the debit entry, you should choose from credit. For the credit entry, you should choose from the debit. So for example here, cash account data to Vinod's capital account. Suppose this is the journal entry. What you will do, Vinod's capital account is on the credit. Therefore, what you should write, you should take this cash account, by cash account you should write, then the business is over. Listen carefully. It is for Vinod's capital account. Suppose you are preparing the ledger for cash. The cash is on the debit, therefore on the debit you will pass entry, that is, you will make the posting, but what you will write for the cash, you will write Vinod's capital account this side. So, for the selection of side, we should see the account. For making the posting, you should take the opposite of it. So, Vinod's capital is on the credit. This is the journal entry. So, here only the entry. What all we write, we should write by here on the credit side. So, for this credit, what is coming along with it on the debit, we should see. If it is simple journal entry, okay. If it is a compound journal entry, what you should select? For this Vinod capital, cash account is debit. For this Vinod's capital, stock account is debit. For this Vinod's capital, debtors, Sunday debtors account debit. For this Vinod's capital, machinery is debit. In the whole credit period, எல்லாமே debit. So, what we should write? What about this liabilities in 10,000? Where the liability in this report? We do not know anything. You should understand it. If it is one debit for one credit, we can select easily. Since this is Vinod's capital account, Vinod's capital account, who the cash, that we can write by cash and we can complete it. Business is over. But here for this Vinod's capital account in the opening journal entry, there are 4 debits. What we should write here? Credit but all these debits should be written. What we can write? We do not know what to be written. In that case, what we should write? By balance brought down. What is the amount? Capital 1,40,000. This is what you have to write. This is important point. And therefore, in case of a compound journal entry, if it is simple, 1 to debit, 1 debit for 1 credit, no problem, we can write easily. But if there are too many debit entries and too many credit entries, we cannot, which is the pair for this credit from the debit. In the Vinod's capital, but if you take all this, it will come to 1,50,000. But here the capital is 1,40,000. Where does this 10,000 lie? We do not know, and therefore generally we write by balance brought down. That balance brought down, where it should be written, since the capital account is on the credit, it should be written on the credit. So that's all this. Now we can close it, close the ledger. Now we can close the ledger. What is it? The same procedure. Here 1,40,000, here 0. Therefore, the greatest total 1,40,000 on both sides. $1,40,000 here. Here, how much amount is missing? The entire 1,40,000 is missing. So, what is the last date? Here, the entire amount is missing. For the missing amount, we should write to balance carried down. For the missing amount, it is balance carried down. So, the same amount. Here carried down, once again, here it is brought down by balance. Brought down. The carried down amount is the same, 1,40,000. For the carried down, the last date of the month, January 31st, and for brought down the next month, first date. This is the special case. This is the special case of these kinds of problems. So, when there are too many debits for one credit or too many credits for one debit, it is called a compound journal entry. In that case, what should be considered for postings in the ledger? We do not know which will be the pair of the debit to the credit or which will be the pair of the credit to the debit. So we do not know in that case. Generally we write by balance brought off. This is the best example for this opening journal entry. And the next one for this, that what we have done is the file, the journal and this. Now we are going to see the furniture, prepare furniture account from the following transaction. Here, why this is prepare furniture account? Whether the question is pass journal entries and prepare ledger accounts, you should listen carefully. Whether it is passing journal entry, after that post them to ledger, no. Then what it is? Prepare furniture account. Once you are asked to prepare a particular account, it means that it is a ledger. Prepare a particular account, prepare cash account, then it is a cash ledger. Prepare furniture account, it is a furniture ledger. Therefore, once you are asked to prepare a particular account, then it is a ledger account. Here we should prepare the ledger account. What it is for furniture, the question number is 6. What it is in the books of nothing, in the books of dash, it is given. What account we are supposed to prepare? Furniture account. We should prepare the furniture account. We should prepare the furniture account. As usual, we should write all the heading. That is the first one, date, particulars, journal folio, amount, rupees 5, date, particulars, journal folio, amount, rupees 5, that is on the credit side, right hand side creditor, left hand side creditor. Just bear it in mind the format. Even if you miss 1 point, the mark will be reduced. In this problem number 6, what you are asked to answer? Prepare furniture account, therefore you should prepare only the ledger. So without preparing the ledger, you should go straight away to the ledger. without preparing the journal. In problem number 5, what is asked? Pass opening journal entry, that is prepare journal, then you pass on to the lecture. Here, a straight question, you should pass or you should prepare furniture account straight away. For that, what you should do? If you are capable enough, you can bear all the journal entries in mind and you can pass entries there. That is, you can make the postings there. Or else, what you can do? You can do the rough work of the journal entry, and from the journal entry you can prepare. Furniture in hand, already it is a balance. Furniture in hand, already there is a stock, that is stock of furniture, that is balance brought down. What you should write? Furniture account data to balance brought down account. This is one thing, 2000. This is the first journal entry. Purchased furniture for cash. When furniture is purchased, what comes in? Furniture comes in. Therefore, furniture account data. 2. It is purchased for cash. Then what goes out? Cash goes out. Cash account. The amount is 4,000 rupees. The amount is 4,000 rupees. This is the second journal. The third one, sold furniture. When furniture is purchased, furniture comes in. When the same furniture is sold away, furniture goes out. வாங்கும்போது furniture உள்ள வரும், வைக்கும்போது furniture வெளியே போகும். So you should remember that. Sold furniture. So when the furniture is sold, what comes in? Cash comes in. Cash account data. And what goes out? Furniture goes out. Cash account data to furniture account. The amount is 5,000. Sold furniture for 400. That's all. These are the 3 journal entries. With this, we should pass entry there. Instead of writing these journal entries, by bearing all the journal entries in mind, you can prepare it. So for the first entry where the furniture appears on the debit. Therefore, we should pass entry on the debit only. 2016 January 1st. January 1st. Furniture in hand, that is on the debit side furniture. So for the furniture, what is coming along with it? What is coming along with this furniture? Balance brought down. So you write to balance brought down. What is the amount? 2,000. You can write it here. Then the next journal entry. Where does the furniture appear? On the debit. On the debit only the furniture appears. And therefore on the debit side the same date 1, 2. What is coming along with that furniture? Cash is coming along with that furniture. Therefore to cash account. How much it is? 4,000. And in the third journal entry, where does it appear? On the credit. So you pass entry on the credit. 2016 January. The date given is 30th. 30th is 30th. By what is coming along with this furniture? Cash is coming. Therefore, by cash account. the amount is 400. So, for all the three transactions, we have passed the entry. So, after the postings made, you close the ledger, close the furniture account ledger. Here it is 6,000, here only 400. So what is the greater total? 6,000 is the greater total. You write on both the sides. And what is the missing amount or the balance sheet figure? 5,600. Against the missing amount, write balance carried down. And on the opposite side, you write balance brought down. So balance brought down 5,600. For carried down the last date of the month and for brought down the next month, first day. February 1st. So what is the difference between the problem number 5 and 6? In problem number 5, we are supposed to prepare the opening journal entry. This one is correct format, this is proper. And from this we should prepare Reynolds capital account. So in this question, both the journal entry and the ledger accounts are supposed to be prepared. So this journal entry, we have passed the entry in the journal, then we have made the posting in Reynolds capital account. But here Reynolds capital appear on the credit. So what should be written on the debit? There are many possibilities. There are 4 possibilities here. What should be written? We do not know, but the side only we know it is the credit side because we know the capital account appears in the journal of the credit. So here only it should be passed. And for that, what should be written out of this 4? We do not know what are they. In that case, we can write by balance brought down 1,40,000. Then with this, we close this ledger by putting 1,40,000 on these 2 sides. Here the missing amount is 1,40,000. So here carry down, once again opposite side brought down. For carry down, last date, then for brought down, the first date of the next month. And in 6, what it is? You are supposed to prepare furniture account only, that is, you should prepare the ledger only for furniture. You are not supposed to prepare the journal entries, past journal entries. Not necessary here. In that case, what you should do? I told you 2 ideas. One, either keeping these 3 journal entries in mind, we can prepare the ledger. Or else, you do a rough work of the journal. That is, first one, balance. In the beginning, the stock of furniture available 2,000. So for this furniture account, let us to balance brought down. Then furniture purchased for cash. So furniture comes in, cash goes out. This is the journal entry. Then furniture sold for cash. That is furniture sold. There is nothing mentioned. Name is not given. Therefore, it is a cash sales. Therefore, cash comes in and furniture goes out when the furniture are sold. So these are the 3 journal entries. We are supposed to prepare the furniture account ledger. So where the furniture account lies in the first one on the debit, therefore on the debit to balance brought down. The furniture to prepare பண்ணும்போதும் சைடை செலக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஃபர்னிச்சர் எங்கே இருக்குன்னு வச்சு சைடு வந்து டெபிட். அந்த டெபிட்ல எதை என்ட்ரி போடணும்னா இந்த ஃபர்னிச்சரை போடக்கூடாது, அது கூட என்ன வருதோ அதுதான் போடணும். That's what I have done here. Then in the second journal entry, furniture on the debit, only on the debit. And what is coming along with this is cash, and I have written cash there. And in the third journal entry, furniture is appearing on the credit, so pass entry on the credit, not the furniture. What is coming along with this furniture? Cash. Therefore, we write the cash. So for all the 3 transactions, we have passed 1, 2, 3 entries. Now we should do, here it is 6,000, here it is only 400, so you write the greater total on both sides. Now here the balancing figure or missing amount 5,600, and here against the missing amount or balancing amount, it is balanced carry down, and in the opposite side it is balanced brought down. For carry down, last date of the month. For brought down, the next month, first date.
Sir.